8. Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about GlucoFlush. We, at Daac Reviews Channel, have prepared a comprehensive review video with everything you need to know before buying GlucoFlush. I also have some really important alerts that I'll share throughout the video, so pay close attention to avoid mistakes when using or purchasing GlucoFlush. The first thing you need to know about GlucoFlush is be cautious about the site where you buy GlucoFlush, because it's only sold on the official website. To assist you, I've left the link to the official site below in the video description. So what is GlucoFlush, and does it really work? The answer is yes. GlucoFlush works. After numerous laboratory tests, researchers identified a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that deliver excellent results. GlucoFlush is a specially formulated proprietary blend of 11 high-quality herbal ingredients designed for parasite flushing and supporting blood sugar levels. This comprehensive formula aims to provide various health benefits and support overall well-being. So yes, you can trust this product. Many people have had great results with GlucoFlush, and the official website contains numerous customer testimonials. However, keep in mind that each body will react uniquely. This may seem obvious, but I'm telling you this so you can be realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something crucial about this product that you need to know before buying. You can test GlucoFlush for 60 days, and if you don't see results or if you're not satisfied for any reason, they will refund your money. So feel confident using GlucoFlush, but make sure to buy from the official website to ensure warranty benefits. Additionally, for GlucoFlush to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You should take it every day. The bottle comes with a dropper that you need to fill once a day and add to orange juice, tea, or plain water. As a liquid, it is quickly absorbed by the intestines and will promptly begin to expel parasites once and for all. If not, you won't see significant results and you might get a bit frustrated. Initial results can be seen in the first month, but most people have better results after 2 to 3 months due to its gradual effect. Also, it's important to note that GlucoFlush has no side effects as it's a natural product. In conclusion, I decided to record this video, first to warn you to be careful about the site where you buy GlucoFlush, and also, if you purchase the product, follow the exact treatment. Take it seriously. Remember that your results will be very different from anyone else because your body acts in a unique way. I truly hope this video has helped you, and I also hope that GlucoFlush really helps improve your life and provides many other benefits that this product promotes. Remember that the official website of the product is in the description link, and if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe to this channel and give it a like. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.